Hey everybody, this is Chris of CKR, and I'm with my buddy here, Sanjay,
Hello everyone.
and we are here at Sanjay's house because we have installed a beautiful Enphase microgrid and battery array. So really phenomenal. I'm actually gonna walk you through here and show you Sanjay's beautiful batteries. As you can see, he has the perfect color wall, this beautiful yellow and the gray of the Enphase system is really highlighted using this yellow. Sanjay, what did you think about the install process?
It's perfect, amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like it.
excellent. That's
The
really good.
guys was very helpful. They are, expert doing that. So I like the whole process.
Yeah, they have done a phenomenal job. You'll notice here that this Enphase system, we didn't even have to put in conduit, so everything's hidden nicely away. The system is on and powered and is producing a lot of energy today because it's bright and sunny. You'll also notice I'm going to walk here with Sanjay that we've installed a span drive because span is awesome, and Sanjay did get a span panel over here, so really nice install. Happy with it?
Yes.
Sanjay's already tested turning off the breakers using his app, which you can do, if you accidentally leave something on. But wanted to kind of show some additional work we had done for this install. So Sanjay originally had just some wire going up the side of his house, and we were able to work with the utility out here, get the power shut down, and install a brand new masthead, and just make it a whole lot safer. Isn't that right, Sanjay? You happy with how this went?
Yes, I'm right here.
All right, and so we've got our main disconnect here and our shutdown switch for the Enphase, just making sure everybody is safe and that we can de-energize the system very, very quickly. And then obviously, it being solar, we have this beautiful solar system with these REC 450 Pure RX. And of course, there's a helicopter flying up overhead right now because I'm trying to make a video. So whatever, we'll ignore that and just look at these beautiful panels and how much sun it is getting, even here late in the afternoon. So really nice system here, and hopefully it'll work as intended and help Sanjay reduce his energy bills as much as possible. So anything you want to say, Sanjay?
Yeah, I'm hoping to save more money by going solar. So I request everyone go solar.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Sanjay.